Get off my sandwich. You ever have that happen? You put your sandwich down for 1 second and fruit flies get on it? Let me show you how I got rid of all my fruit flies overnight, except for that one. Now this one here, all I did was I made a little funnel, and I'll explain to you why I made that in a minute, and I put some vinegar inside. See how many I got? Oh, there's one flying around right now. See, there's one right on the, see that one right on the tip of my cup? Whoops. He just went in.
They can't resist the vinegar.
They can't resist it. So the whole idea is we take this funnel and put it in, make sure it doesn't actually touch the liquid. See how I have it high enough? How it's ending up there? The bug may enter, but he may never leave. Just like Hotel California. He smells the vinegar, he goes down the tube, he goes through that hole, and then he might try to fly out. You'll see them running around the edges, but they can't get back out because they can't find that hole. And eventually they try to drink the vinegar and they drown. Now for the second one, it's a little different. And by the way, all of these that I'm going to show you, we put up last night because of what they were doing to my sandwiches. So this one here, I covered it up this morning because I wanted to get more in that one there. And all it is here is vinegar, and I put a few drops of dish liquid in there. The vinegar really attracts them. They fly and they come down here, and the dish liquid changes the viscosity of the surface so they can't leave. See, look at that, how it attracted them. Can you see that guy? He's got a big smile on his face, but he just flew away, but he'll be back. They get in there and they drown. Look at that. It's like this guy here invited all his neighbors and friends, and they're all gone. Now, I never thought we'd find fruit flies under the sink. Under the sink, under... Oh, that's a different song. Okay, so I'm going to come right down over here, and I'm going to open up the dungeon. Look at that. I put that under there last night. We'll take it out. Just like that there.
Whoa.
And take a look at how many we got there. Here we got the family, there we got the whole neighborhood. Again, this one has dish liquid in it, so when they landed, they couldn't take off, and they drowned, and they went down to the bottom. I just use regular white vinegar here, but if you use apple cider vinegar, it'll work a lot better. This stuff drives them crazy. And I just use regular clear soap, so I could see how many were in there. You could use any kind of dish liquid you like. So I hope you enjoyed my trap. Share it with your friends. Leave any comments of how it worked for you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Oh, no.
Want to see more on what goes on behind Why Am I Green? Come join us on Patreon for the behind-the-scenes projects, extra updates, and our monthly Green Room Live. Membership starts at just $5. The link's in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.